Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1979 Land Cruiser BJ40. This one's pretty rare because it's got a diesel and air conditioning. Original motor, 4-speed trans. This actually came from the Canary Islands. My client imported it over here. Runs and drives great. Took his local mechanic and completely went through it. I've never seen one with air conditioning. Pretty cool. Finished in yellow with a black interior. It's got the seats that face each other in the back. I think they sit, you can probably put 2 people on each side. So hypothetically 3 up front, 4 in the back, seat 7. Great cruiser. Runs and drives fantastic. Just had a tow hitch put on it. These Toyotas are really coming up in value. Almost like the 90s cars, like the Grand Nationals and all those guys. You never think that they would become classics, but yet here we are. Really cool corner windows in the rear. Top is completely removable. A great stance. With split rims. Tires have great tread. Love the little markers up front. Plenty of room for a wench or whatever you want to put up front. There's a space there. Canary Islands, there you go. Really cool mural on the front too. This thing's beautiful. No roster issues at all. Great investment piece, that is for sure. Just as nice inside as is outside. There's our air. It's got an AMF and cassette too. These little windows here, they pop out. Such an iconic vehicle. There it is. Dual batteries up front. Master cylinder. Just gonna put you down for a second. Brand new batteries. 4-cylinder diesel. This thing will pull a house down, that's for sure. Fresh oil change. It's all serviced, ready to go. Cool truck. Fire it up for you. Man, this is beautiful. It was restored about 7 years ago. 77,785 kilometers. Air blows nice and cold. AMF on cassette. It's got custom speakers, that pair too. They're nice sounds. Got speakers under there as well. Oh, a cool piece, man. This is iconic. Little jumpers in the back. There we go. pop-out windows there. Beautiful truck. As nice as it could be. Sounds great. Well guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's Weeby Autos. Probably took about 200 pictures today. So check us out, weebyautos.com. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.